How to create Kiwi.com account. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create Kiwi.com account, or that is how you can sign up on Kiwi. To sign up on Kiwi is very simple. Just ensure that you follow the tutorial to the end. Now, the first thing to do is to open your web browser and then type out the domain name for Kiwi, which is www.kiwi.com. Once you type it out, you'll be brought to this page where you would see some options about flight and all. And then the next thing for you to do is move to the top right corner of the screen where you see three horizontal dashes. Once you see these dashes, click on it. And once you click on it, a box will be displayed. In the box displayed, you'll see other options. As you can see, since you do not have an account, you click on create an account. So once you click on create an account, another box will be displayed asking you to input your email address and your password. So just go ahead and do that right away. Okay, so this is your email address, gmail.com, and then you have to create a password. All right, ensure your password is strong and it's something that you can easily remember. And then once you're done, click on create an account. Oh, an account already exists, so you would have to you ensure that you are using an email that does not have an account with Kiwi already. And always click on create an account. The account will be created straight up. Alright, so this is how you can create an account on kiwi.com. Very simple and direct. Go ahead and try it out today. Thanks for watching.